Oh look, it's that time of the day again. It's Doors, part 6, I guess. Okay, I will go here. Wait, I'm only one. 4, 3, 2, and lastly 1. I don't care. Anyways, let's go. So yeah, okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. And this time I will use my phone. And guess what will I use to open? A flashlight, of course. Wait, why does it say 50%? I'm going with the cheaper option. Okay, right. Okay, let's go. It's time to speedrun master this. And I'm not gonna continue the cheese dungeon game. And and you might think, are you still gonna play that cheese dungeon game? No, I quit playing that game. It's annoying. It resets. For some reason, I cannot hear again. Okay, wait. It's just eventually. So the light is just down. Okay, I'm trying to beat this. Okay, where is the notebook? Okay, with this. Anyway, I'm not hearing anything. Why is it so big? I see it blink. Don't lie to me, game. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, so I'm using a headphone right now, so finally you could hear me. And what the hell happened? Oh, it's just a glitch. What? Am I lagging? Oh, I thought there was no light because it was so dark. Oh, great. That you thought you could scare me, utter fool. You don't scare me anymore. Yes. Wait, what? It's a coin. Yes. Key snatched. Okay. So, again. Great, I cannot regenerate. Kunti ng HP ko, grabe. Of course, wala sa light area. Of course, kailangan natin mag-U-turn. Nani? Okay, so may pintuan doon. Ayun, nakatago. There you are. Open, sesame. And I guess the door is unlocked now. Yep. Yeah. You cannot trick me. I can see the wood now. Yeah, there's no way. There's no claws. What? Oh, I remember this now. Open this. Check. Oh, look up. I knew something was up there. Was on there. I know this. You cannot fool me. What? The seeker isn't here. That's a close call. Okay, it's actually dark. What? What the hell? Where is the... I'm dead. I'm dead. How could I live to a screech? Like to lurk in the dark rooms, huh? Research that is around for it. Look for it and stare down. Hey, I'm not planning another game, so yeah. I will continue this until I beat 100. Bye bye. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell.